Hello, my name is Tarsila and I'm a PhD student in zoology at Museu Nacional do Rio de Janeiro. And my presentation is validation of the most informative descriptors for the species of the genus Cardiomya in Brazil. So, Cardiomya is a genus of septibranch bivalves, and currently we have about 50 described species. The main morphological characters of Cardiomya include a rostrate shell and ornamentation composed by radial reeds. Despite being the characters it's strongly indicative for generic differentiation, for specific identification, their same characters are extremely plastic and uninformative. Today from Brazil, we have 6 described species: Cardiomya clariana, Cardiomya ornatissima, Cardiomya striata, Cardiomya perrostrata, Cardiomya striolata e Cardiomya minerva. And the purpose of this work is select the smallest and the most informative set of characters and test the efficiency in species classification. For this, 200 specimens were selected and 29 measurements were taken each of them. After that, we use the Bayes information criterion. It is a criterion for model selection among the affinity set of models, and the model with the smallest and most informative set of parameters is selected. Of the 29 initial variables, a set of 5 was selected as being the most efficient. The distance between the base of the most posterior rib to the umbonal apex, 3 descriptors angles of the curvature of the anterior region of the shell, and the dorsal inflection of the rostrum. After that, a discriminant analysis was performed using only these 5 variables in order to test if they were really efficient in discriminating species. As Cardiomya is a genus of inequivalent bivalves, we separate the analysis into 3 parts. The first using only the left valves, the second using only right valves, and the third using the both. As a result, for the left valves, 93% of the cases were correctly classified, and we can see a good separation between the species. For the right valve, 85% of the cases were correctly classified. We have fewer specimens of right valves. That's why the graphic is more empty. And for the both sides together, 91% of the cases were correctly classified. So our results demonstrate that the contour of the shell deserve more attention when we examining specimens of Cardiomya, because this entirely data set is related to the contour of the shell and not to the ornamentation. And discriminant analysis is efficient in classifying species of the genus Cardiomya. Thanks for watching.